sense of foreboding hung over the tasting room.
Fun, right? So frickin' suspenseful. I love it.
Master sommelier Jack Rocker felt the heaviness of the corkscrew in his pocket.
Excuse me, sorry.
Alice nervously oxygenated her Pinot round and around when suddenly...
Sorry, I'm sorry. I get the hiccups in tense situations. I'm so sorry. It's the last one I can tell. It's the last one.
The magnum of Riesling exploded.
I think the murder part's coming up. That'll scare him out of me. Keep going, QR.
Yeah.
Sorry. Keep going.
Okay. Parker, the winery's young social media manager, lay lifeless, his head in the spit bucket.
Parker, no! Hey, it worked.
Good. The